Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market will behave tomorrow and what are the key levels to look out for. And we'll also talk about how our salary trading has been going so far. So we've been using 5 Paisa because, Paytm is actually not giving us the hedge margin benefit that usually SEBI gives. But even if it is giving, we don't know how to do it, but we'll figure that out. But however, the 75,000 which was there on this account has almost doubled in 2 days. But however, this would not happen every day. Whenever there is an actual breakout, we would do this. Now, I had given the same communication of the position that was actually bought here, and to my members here at the group, and they were able to also make a similar amount of profit. So overall, both the accounts are in green. So our live trading has already started with a 7-star entry of doubling our capital within 2 days. But however, it is still a long month, and the month of August will be one of the most successful months by the way how it is started. So without further ado, let us go ahead and understand where the market is heading. But however, if you want to make similar profits by live trading and join us, then you can go to the link in the description below. There is a 25% off on the live trading facility. Now, if you would have opted for the same 25% off on Sunday, would your capital be double today? I don't want to answer that question, but I would let that question be something that you can think about. But however, what has happened today will not happen all days, but it was an actual breakout which I predicted and which worked pretty well. So, you can only expect a 10 to 20% or 5 to 6% per day. But however, these multiples, when it literally makes 3 times, 4 times, actually come on certain occasions, but you will have to be ready for that. So with RLTR, we give you that benefit of being ready for that as well. So without further ado, let us go ahead and check where Nifty has been performing and what are the key levels to look out for. The breakout of 16,000 simply means that 60,000 is now a very valid support. Tomorrow, there is highly likely a possibility that the market is going to gap up and it is going to retrace. So there are 2 things that you would need to keep in mind. So just go to the 15-minute time frame and look at the previous low. So over here, the low will actually be the zone for you tomorrow, on which you can actually go ahead, initiate any dip for a buy. So the first stage for the dip would be somewhere around 16,084. And the second dip over here would be 16,000. So anything that comes here into the dip will actually be a buy. There would not be an opportunity over here that you should short the market. But however, a lot of people think that it is already on the top and you need to short it after looking at the last candle. See, that usually does not happen once it breaches a very important level. But however, keep this in mind. If tomorrow Bank Nifty goes ahead and moves away from the previous high. So definitely there might be a possibility that tomorrow they can be a gap up. But however, if you go ahead and take a Fibonacci retracement, this is the only way to find as to what an upside target is for a thing which is already on an all-time high. So the next high that we can expect from Nifty futures is going to be this level. So tomorrow, once it takes out that particular level, tomorrow and day after put together, we can see somewhere around 16,300 as well as a long-term target. But however, when it moves tomorrow, we will take 50% of this target, and we'll look for at least somewhere around 60 to 70 points, as an upside for whatever call or put that you're going to buy. Only if and only a 15-minute candle is opened above 16,148, you will initiate the position. Now, if it is gap up and it is going to take the support on yesterday's high for whatever high that it has made, then please initiate a buy from there and look for a buy on dips until and unless there is, a lot of alarming situations and so on and so forth. There is a link to the Telegram channel listed below, where I actually tell you what are the key timings that you need to look out for the day, and also upload my profits and the kind of activities that we are doing in a live trading forum. So please do join that link in the description below to keep yourself updated about us as RLTR group, as well as keep yourself educated about what are the things that we are having, so that it can help you make certain market decisions during your trades. Now with Bank Nifty, it is absolutely clear. Now Bank Nifty, I would need to take you to a 1-day chart before I go ahead and introduce something else. On a 1-day chart, this is the space that is very, very important. So if tomorrow Bank Nifty gaps up at least 127 points, then there is a highly likely possibility that it is going to go ahead and move towards the upside. So the upside target over here that we would be looking for is 35,700. So tomorrow, if there is a gap up and if it sustains above this level of 35,366, then you can easily look for this amount of target over here, which would be somewhere around 300 points. But however, if we open up and if we start recorrecting, ourselves and start pushing ourselves back, so 35,000 would be a very good place to actually initiate a buy and then look at, whatever the top side is available over there. So eventually we'll see 35,700. But however, a big crucial level would only be opened up where there would be high momentum buying, again, like how it was today after the 36,000 level. So tomorrow, 35,500 would be a very critical level. So on this, please be careful. But however, dips would be bought until and unless there is a news that actually comes into the market. As far as what I could see, the global indices have been performing pretty well. So whoever is having an open position can actually easily, go back to sleep. There shouldn't be any problem. But however, today was the day to do an overnight, but tomorrow you don't know. So with this, I will let you go. These are the key levels that I'll be looking out for on the live trading forum as well. And we'll be most probably looking to trade around these levels so that we get the best trade that we can. So with this information, I thank you so much for your time. And if you want to join our subscription, please go to the link in the description below. That would give you 25% off on the live trading. So join us and continue the journey of salary trading, where we ensure that at the end of the month, you cut out a salary for yourself from the stock market. Thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a beautiful day. Take care. Jai Hind. Goodbye for now.